In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete multiple tabs in Google Sheets. Let's start by opening the Google Sheets file where you want to clean things up. Make sure you're in the correct spreadsheet, because deleting tabs is permanent, and there's no simple undo once you move on to something else. Take a moment to quickly scan the tabs along the bottom so you know which ones you want to keep and which ones you're ready to remove. Along the bottom of your screen, you'll see all your sheet tabs lined up horizontally. Each one represents a separate sheet within your file. Before you delete anything, it's a good idea to double-check that you're not removing something important, like a summary sheet or a tab that other people are still using. If you're unsure, you can rename the tabs you plan to delete with something like "to remove," so you can confirm with your team before actually deleting them. Now, to delete a tab, move your mouse over the name of the sheet you want to remove. Right-click directly on that tab. A menu will appear with several options, like Rename, Duplicate, and so on. In that menu, look for the option that says Delete. When you click Delete, Google Sheets will usually show you a quick confirmation message, warning you that this action will permanently remove the sheet. Go ahead and confirm if you're sure. The tab will disappear from the bottom bar, and all the data in that sheet will be removed from the file. To delete multiple tabs, simply repeat this same process for each sheet you want to remove. Right-click the tab, choose Delete, and confirm. It can feel a bit repetitive, but it's the safest way to make sure you're only deleting exactly what you intend. As you go, you'll see the row of tabs becoming shorter and more manageable. If you accidentally delete the wrong tab and notice it immediately, you can use the standard undo shortcut in your browser, like pressing Ctrl+Z on Windows or Command+Z on a Mac, right after the deletion. That won't help if you realize much later. So again, a quick review beforehand is really important. Once you've finished, look over your remaining tabs. You should now have a much cleaner, more organized Google Sheets file, with only the sheets you actually need.